Hey everybody, what's up? Today we are going to fix the issue if your Facebook Reels are not being uploaded on Facebook. So you may just head over and follow up these steps for that, and you should be able to upload Facebook Reels. So let's start by going ahead and looking out for our settings application for that and go to your connection section. Within connection, what we need to do is you need to just go over and switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data or move closer to your router to improve the signal and try uploading the reel once again in your Facebook application and see if that works. Apart from that, you can just go over and restart the application. So you can close the Facebook application completely and open up the Facebook application once again. That should also clear out the minor glitches that were preventing the upload. Apart from that, you need to update your Facebook application as well. So outdated application can have such kind of bugs that causes the upload issues. So you can go to Play Store for that and go to the search. And once you go to the search, look out for Facebook and then update your application to the latest version available. And also check the app permissions, especially for using mobile data if you're not on Wi-Fi, or especially if you're using cellular data as well for uploading. So you can just go over and give those permissions. If all of those steps fail, you can install and reinstall the Facebook application, hold it up, and look out for the uninstall option or disable, and again enable it, and try logging in into Facebook again and uploading the reel once again. And apart from that, when you're uploading the reel or the video, ensure that your video meets the Facebook's recommended specifications for format, resolution, and aspect ratio, and that should do it. So that is it, everybody. Those are the solutions you can try out to fix the Facebook Reels not uploading. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.